Oh, what is up guys? Welcome back for a new video. I thought, you know what? It's finally time for a new vlog. I haven't made one in so long. I only post like short videos now to be able to get more videos out for you guys. But I thought just to mix it up a little, let's make a little longer vlog. Yeah, let's start this off with unboxing my new wheels that I just ordered like a week ago. And these ones haven't been in stock since 2021, so dude, I'm so happy. Finally, dude. I've been waiting for this for so long. Well, let's see this. Oh my god. Go Project 72mm wheels. Oh my god, dude. I've been waiting for so long. So yeah, these are definitely the best wheels that I've ever ridden. Or at least one of the best. Because back in 2019 we used to ride, me, Henrik and some other guys, we used to ride wheels called ground control wheels. And they were the best, I would say. But unfortunately they went out of stock and never came back. So yeah, they stopped producing the wheels, which kinda sucked, but then we had the ground control Earth City wheels, the white ones. Yeah, they're alright, but and it's also the ones that I'm riding at the moment, by the way. But they snap pretty damn quick, so yeah, these are the best ones on the market right now. But I never thought I was gonna see these again, so I'm really stoked right now. These are probably gonna last me for a long time, since I only use these as back wheel. Let's take a closer look. Look at these beauties, man. Oh. Yeah, I'm not gonna open these now because yeah, it's way too late to ride right now. So, but yeah, I'm going to change back wheel and hopefully we can get some nice tricks in. Ooh. All right, guys, we're out here. I was supposed to meet up with Dennis today, but I don't know. I didn't hear anything from him, so I went out myself instead. Because yeah, I don't want to waste any time. So. Yeah. Alright guys, let's try some tricks. First try. Oh, dude, everything felt so easy today. Oh my god. Quad whip first try. Front scoot felt like nothing. Dude, I can't wait for spring. We'll see what this year has to offer. Hopefully something good. But yeah, I'll probably continue this vlog tomorrow or something with Dennis. Maybe Lucas too, we'll see. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm here with Dennis today. We're having a little sesh at this little place here. Because yeah, it's raining like crazy outside, so we have no other choice. And other than that, it's a pretty good day today. It's 9 degrees Celsius outside, almost 50 in the Fahrenheit, so pretty good. And we just changed bars, swapped bars. Basically, because we wanted to try it out, and it seems like this is a really good fit for Dennis. He was able to land a kickless for his web edit, and he's going to do a triple for you. So, let's see this. Alright, let's go. He's going for the triple. First try. Oh, so close. Oh! Oh no! Yo, there you go. Ja, baba.
Yeah!
Utan X-ride.
Åh, ser ut som kattkum.
Easy. Nu är det bara flytt kvar. Oh, yes! Fan vad nice! Okay, Dennis is going to do a combo here on this thing. Oh my god.